Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Ghost touch is when your iPhone screen starts functioning on its own. Although touch screen displays have completely changed the way we use phones, they come with drawbacks. Many iPhone users might have this issue that the screen is responding itself even though they do not touch the screen. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Get rid of dust on your screen. One of the common reasons for ghost touch is that there are some dust particles on your device which makes your iPhone auto-perform tasks. To get rid of this problem, make sure that your device is dust clean and free from any other particles by using soft microfiber cloths regularly. Solution 2. Remove your phone's screen protector. Sometimes your iPhone screen protector becomes the reason for ghost touching as it is incompatible with your iPhone devices and it touches some part of the device automatically. So, by removing your iPhone's screen protector, you can solve your problem if it is the reason for ghost touching. Solution 3. Remove the case of your iPhone. Another reason for ghost touching is the incompatibility of the iPhone case, just like the iPhone screen protector. Of course, the manufacturer tries their best to make the fully compatible mobile case, but sometimes they did not make it compatible. You can even see the fault especially from the corners, and that makes your device perform a function on its own. To get rid of this issue, remove the case and use a fully compatible and high quality mobile case. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power and side button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5. Update the latest iOS version. Make sure your iPhone device must have an update iOS, the latest iOS 16 version. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update available, install and download it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 7. Factory reset. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Erase all content and settings. Solution 8. Contact Apple. If you got this far, it might mean the problem is not solved yet. Then the final try should be bringing your iPhone to Apple Store. The store will provide free and authorized service to make the ghost touch on your iPhone fixed. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.